Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a super easy way to reset your Eufy Doorbell camera. Whether your camera is acting up, you're troubleshooting connectivity issues, or you just want to start fresh, this guide will get your doorbell back to factory settings in under a minute. No tools needed, just a thin pin. Why reset? Sometimes your Eufy doorbell may freeze, fail to connect, or stop sending notifications. A quick factory reset often solves these issues, giving you a clean slate and like new performance. First, locate the small circular hole at the bottom of your doorbell's rear. You don't need anything fancy. A SIM ejector, paperclip, or sewing pin works perfectly. Gently insert the pin and press inward. You'll feel the back panel pop open. Inside, you'll see a tiny reset hole. Carefully push your pin into this hole and hold it for 11 to 15 seconds. Keep an eye on the LED indicator. It will turn red, showing the reset is in progress. Then it will switch to yellow, confirming that the factory reset is complete. Once you see the yellow light, close the back panel and your Eufy doorbell is ready for a fresh setup, just like it came out of the box, and that's it. A super quick, tool-free way to reset your Eufy doorbell camera. If this guide helped you, hit that like button, drop a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tips. Your doorbell is now ready to keep your home secure, hassle-free.